Get me out of here. Get your butt over here.
Leave me alone. Get out of here, Gerard. Get out of here.
Open the daggone door.
No, get out of here. Oh my God. Mommy, is it gonna be okay? No, stay in the bed, honey. Stay in the bed, okay? Okay?
Open the daggone door up.
No, get out of here. Oh my God. Mommy, shut up and get out of the bed. Okay, I'm on the phone. Okay. Please stop.
Get over here.
Ow!
Get over here.
Ow! Leave me alone, Gerard. Get out of the way.
That's what you get. You gonna lock me up my own house? That's what you get. All right, man. I'm leaving now. Goodbye.
Mommy, are you okay? Stay on the bed, honey. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Oh God. He beat me. He beat me. You see my eye? Oh my Lord. Oh my God. Oh my God. Gerard, don't you come back no more. I'm tired of you. Oh my God. Let me catch my breath. Mommy! Shut up, Tickle! Shut up, Gerard! Shut up, Quincy! And shut up, Kevin! And shut up, Daquan! And shut up, Bombo! But Mommy! Shut up! Oh my God! You daggone kids give me a heart attack over here! You know your daggone daddy had left me. You know you ain't got no money. You ain't got no food. Our lights don't turn off. Oh my God. I think they already turned off. Oh my God. Mama, it's gonna be okay. No! Be quiet. Be quiet. I told you before I whoop you. Let me get my belt out and whoop you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, my lights turned off. What? My lights turned off. I don't know what to do no more. Mama, it's gonna be just fine. Shut your butt out. I told you. Dang on, girl, I told you. Oh Lord. Let me thank the Jesus up in here. Let me thank the Jesus up in here. I need to thank the Jesus. I need to thank him now. I need to thank the Jesus. I need to thank him. Oh, I'm so glad my lights turned off. Oh my God. I'm sorry that your daddy left y'all kids. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Denise? Daquan? Kevin, y'all under there still? Yeah, Mommy, but Quincy gone. What? Oh, heck no! What, Quincy? Oh my God! Oh my God! Are you okay, Mommy? No, I'm not okay. If you answer that question one more time, I'm gonna show you okay in your butt. Oh my God! Lord, he took my child Quincy. I need to find my child Quincy. I need to find my child Quincy. I'm so sorry. I need to find my child Quincy. Oh my God. Move. Who is it? Who is it?
It's me, Tyrone.
What?
It's Tyrone.
What you want? Get out of here. Open the daggone door. Get out of here.
not playing, girl. I'm not playing. Is you by yourself? Because I cannot see you through this video. Be on peephole. Girl, I am by myself. Open up the door and let me help you out. Okay. Come in. Girl, what's wrong with you? Why you open up that dang old door for Tyrone? You know he is crazy, girl. He got ADHD. He will kill a girl up here. He don't give a care. I'm sorry, girl. I'm sorry. I don't know what my life is doing, girl. He beat me. Let me see your eye. He beat me, girl. I told you he beat me. He beat me. Girl, sit your butt down and get on bed and get your Kool-Aid. Okay, girl. Okay, I got you. Oh, just help me up for a minute. I feel a beast up in this. Girl, sit down and get your Kool-Aid. Oh, Lord. I don't even know what to do right now. I feel like hurting somebody. I feel like hurting Tyrone.
Alexi.
Oh, my God.